Hello Alice, welcome to my channel. I am Orunima and you are watching the Homely Kitchen with Orunima. Are you bored with your regular egg curry? Will your guest come to your house today but you don't have any preparation? Don't worry, I am here to solve your any kind of problem. So today I am preparing a delicious royal flavored Shahi egg. You can serve the dish in any occasion and you will make the dish in very easy method. So without further ado, let's cook with me.
At first heat the pan. Add 1 tablespoon sunflower oil to the pan. Heat the oil and spread the oil evenly on the pan. Add pinch of salt and turmeric powder in the oil. Mix them well and spread evenly on the pan. Add boiled eggs to the pan. Stir them well and saute well. If you add turmeric powder and salt in the oil, they will be mixed with the eggs evenly. So I have added them to the oil instead of mixing them with the eggs beforehand. Take the egg out one by one. Add 1 tablespoon sunflower oil and 1 tablespoon clarified butter on the pan. Add bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Stir them well. Cover the lid for 1 minute to extract all the fragrances. Don't cook them in high flame. Add 3 tablespoons onion paste on the pan. Mix them well. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Stir well. Cover the pan for 2 minutes to cook well. You can see after 2 minutes the water is removed. Add tomato cubes. I am using tomato cubes for time saving. If you want, you can add the tomato puree also. Mix really well. Cover the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the oil is removing from the mixture. At that time, add the curd, cashew and green chili paste. Here I am using 200 grams of curds with 15 cashew nuts and 4 green chilies. Mix well. Add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well and keep stirring to avoid any kind of lumps and to get smoother gravy. Add Add small amount of sugar to balance the taste. Keep stirring. Add dry red chilies. It's completely optional. It's only for garnishing. You can skip this. Add the boiled eggs and mix the gravy with the eggs properly.
While the gravy is preparing, let's have some amazing tips. If your curd is too sour to taste, definitely it will spoil the actual flavor of your gravy. So how can you manage this kind of situation? Yes, there is a solution, my friends. Take half cucumber piece and grind it smoothly. Mix the cucumber paste while adding the curd into your gravy. The cucumber manages the sour taste very well and giving you a perfect taste. You can apply the tips in any recipe where the curd is used. Is the tips helpful? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for tasty recipes and more awesome tips. Let's see how far the recipe is prepared.
Add biryani masala. You can also use the garam masala, but biryani masala is more rich in flavor. Mix well. Add required amount of water and mix well. I broke 1 egg for garnishing. You can skip this. Cover the pan for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. After 15 minutes, the gravy is almost ready. Add 5 tablespoons of keora water. Mix well. Don't cook the keora water in high flame. Cook it in low flame. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. And mix well. Don't skip the keora water and the ghee. These are the two hero ingredients of the royal flavor. So here is your delicious royal flavored Shahi egg ready and served.
Please make the easy and delicious recipe in your home and let me know in the comment section below how is your experience, or you can share the picture with me in the Instagram. Here is my Instagram ID. Okay Addis, that's all for today. Get ready to cook more tasty recipes for you and your family in the next video. Till then, bye.